Today I'm going to be showing you how to hang a decorative piece on your wall the way the pros do. You're going to want to mark out your studs with a Sharpie. Next, check if the wall is load bearing. Clean out all unneeded debris. Doesn't seem to be load bearing. Now when I got my wall open like this, I do a little bit of pest control. So I got my mouse poison, liquid ant bait, and 3 or 4 good traps. Reinsert the insulation, clean the surface. Don't lose track of what I'm doing here. It's pretty darn crucial. Try to find your level points the best you can. Aim for the studs. Sometimes you miss them. It's just what happens, okay? Next, you're going to want to hit it with some drywall mud. I might have to put 2 coats. Definitely pretty, kind of a trophy hunter myself. Then sometimes you just gotta give it a little bit more bacon.